Effective home remedies and tips to control hair fall. Most common problem nowadays is hair fall. Hair loss can occur due to several reasons: inadequate protein, stress, anemia, aging, deficiency of vitamin B6 and folic acid. Here are some home remedies to reduce hair fall. Green tea. Green tea is powerful tea that boosts the hair production and promotes the growth of hair follicle. It is extremely beneficial for hair growth. Prepare green tea. Wait until it cools down and rinse your hair with it. You can use this remedy as an after shampoo conditioner. Repeat this method 3 to 4 times a week for 1 month. By doing this, you can reduce your hair fall. Egg white mask. Eggs contain protein and B vitamin which are necessary for the hair health and hair growth. Break 2 eggs and separate egg yolk from white and collect the whites in a bowl. Mix them well and apply this all over your hair. With the help of a brush, leave it for 30 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat this 2 times a week to prevent hair loss. Neem. Neem tree is rich in antibacterial activities. Neem eliminates dandruff. It stimulates blood flow to the skin. It nourishes the hair root and promotes hair growth and eliminates head lice. Take 10 to 15 neem leaves, boil in water for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets half the quantity. Let it cool and rinse your hair with this water. Use this remedy as the last of shampooing your hair. By doing this regularly, you can reduce hair fall. Methi, fenugreek seeds. These seeds rebuild the hair follicles and promote the hair growth. It makes hair strong and shiny. Take 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, soak them in water for overnight. Next morning, grind them and make a fine paste. Apply this paste to your hair from roots to tips. Leave it for 30 minutes and rinse with cold water. Do it weekly once. By doing this, you can reduce hair fall. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is packed with vitamin E and potassium. These properties moisturize the scalp. It reduces hair damage and promotes hair growth. Apply it all over the scalp and leave it 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. By applying coconut oil, you can reduce hair fall. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is an amazing plant which can balance pH levels on the scalp. Extract the pulp from aloe vera and rub that pulp all over your scalp in a circular motion. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. It moisturizes and promotes the hair growth. By following all these home remedies, you can prevent hair fall and promote hair growth. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.